Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Yogesh Tech Code. In this video, we're going to learn how to create and use Dataflow Gen2 in Microsoft Fabric. Dataflow Gen2 allow us to connect to different data sources, transform the data using Power Query online, and then load that data into a Lakehouse or other analytical store. We will also see how to use a data flow inside a data pipeline. This is a hands-on lab, and it takes approximately 30 minutes to complete. To follow along, you need a Microsoft Fabric trial enabled. Step 1. Create a workspace. First, open your browser and navigate to the Microsoft Fabric homepage. Sign in using your Fabric credentials. On the left-hand side menu, select Workspaces. Now click Create New Workspace. Give your workspace any name of your choice. Make sure you select a licensing mode that includes Fabric capacity, such as Trial, Premium, or Fabric. Once created, your workspace should open and it will be empty. Now we are ready to start building. Step 2. Create a Lakehouse. Inside your workspace, go to the left menu and select Create. Under the Data Engineering section, choose Lakehouse. Give your Lakehouse a unique name. Make sure the Lakehouse Schemas Public Preview option is disabled. After a few moments, your new Lakehouse will be created. Right now, it is empty, and we will load data into it using a data flow. Step 3. Create a Dataflow Gen2. Inside your Lakehouse, select Get Data, New Dataflow Gen2. After a few seconds, the Power Query online editor will open. This is where we define our ETL process. Now select Import from text/CSV file. Choose Link to File, selected, file path or URL is equal to https://raw.github-usercontent.com/Microsoft Learning/dp-data/main/orders.csv. Create a new connection. Give the connection a unique name. Keep Data Gateway as None. Authentication kind, Anonymous. Click Next to preview the data, then select Create. Now the Power Query editor shows the dataset along with automatically applied steps. Step 4. Transform data using Power Query. Now let's perform a transformation. Go to the Add Column tab in the ribbon. Select Custom Column. Set the new column name as MonthNo. Set the data type to whole number. In the formula box, write date.month bracket order date bracket close. Then click OK. Now you can see a new column added, and in the Query Settings panel on the right side, you can see a new applied step. Each transformation you perform is recorded as a step. You can edit steps, move them, or delete them. Make sure the Order Date column data type is set to Date, and the MonthNo column is set to Whole Number. This is very important before loading data. Now, Step 5, Add Data Destination. Now, we need to tell the data flow where to load the data. Go to the Home tab, select Add Data Destination. Choose Lakehouse, and click Save Settings. Now switch to Diagram View from the View menu. You can see the Lakehouse destination icon connected to your query. This means your data flow now has a defined destination. Step 6. Save and run the data flow. Now click Save and Run. Wait for the data flow to execute successfully. After completion, go to your Lakehouse. Refresh the Tables section. You will now see the Orders table created. Click on it to preview the data. Congratulations! Your Dataflow Gen2 successfully ingested data into the Lakehouse. Step 7. Add data flow to a pipeline. Now, let's see how to use this data flow inside a pipeline. In your workspace, select New Item, Data Pipeline. Give it a name, for example, Load Data. The pipeline editor will open. If the Copy Data wizard appears automatically, just close it. Now, from Pipeline Activities, drag and drop a data flow activity into the canvas. Select the data flow activity. In the Settings tab, Choose your data flow, which is Dataflow 1. Now click Save. Then click Run. Wait for the pipeline to execute successfully. Once completed, this confirms that your data flow can be orchestrated using pipelines, which is very important in real-world enterprise solutions. Step 8. Verify data in Lakehouse. Go back to your Lakehouse, refresh the Tables section, open the Orders table. You can now see the data loaded through your data flow and executed via the pipeline. Important concept. Dataflow Gen2. Use Power Query online, perform ETL operations, require a defined destination, can be orchestrated using pipelines, load data into Lakehouse or warehouse, store data in one lake internally. This makes Dataflow Gen2 a powerful ETL tool inside Microsoft Fabric. Clean up resources. If you are finished practicing, go to your workspace settings. Scroll down and select Remove this workspace. Click Delete. This will remove all resources created during the lab. Conclusion. In this video, we learned how to create a workspace, how to create a lakehouse, how to create a Dataflow Gen2, how to transform data using Power Query, how to define a data destination, how to run a data flow, and how to orchestrate it using a pipeline. This is a foundational concept for Microsoft Fabric and very important for the DP 700 exam. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Fabric tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.